para lang po. Here lang po.
Bayad ko po.
Ma'am, sukli mo po.
Oh no, sir. Keep the change. So get yourself something nice.
Piso?
I mean, green guard.
Natin yung ID mo.
May ID? It's a prank! Hi, it's a nice minute of love, right?
Okay lang.
Do you guys know that?
Amoy kinashback ako.
Roses are red, but now it's very red. The sky is blue, but now it's navy blue.
Good morning, guys! Bakla! Inada ko ni Crush!
OMG, really?
Diba? He also very my story, so therefore, crush niya rin ako.
Girl, this is a poster.
Poster?
Tignan mo.
I don't think it's a poster.
Also, have you heard about him and Joanna?
Huh? Who's Joanna?
Si Sean.
Mauna na ako, baby. May klase pa kasi ako eh.
Okay.
Kala ko magiging Joanna. May Joanna pala. Guys, ba't amoy tae?
Do you still remember your classmate who cried in your classroom because of a breakup? Sabi nga nila, kapag sobra ka magmahal, sobra ka din
Let's
masaktan.
break up!
Tapos yun yung nangyari. Okay ka lang?
Oh, it's nothing. Sis, parang naiiyak ko.
Yeah, I think she's going to cry.
Hoy! Sino nagpaiyak kay Nicole?
Sis, it's okay. Just ignore them.
We broke up.
Hello, Milk.
Ano ni Jeff?
Seriously? What happened? Ano daw?
Give her some respect. The person's crying already. Sis, that's okay. It's not your fault.
I understand you, sis.
Sa lahat ng pinagdalo namin, ganun-ganun na lang. It's so terrible. Gaano na ba kayo katagal? 2 days.
What if you meet again with your ex?
Everyone, go back to your proper seats. Uy, sis, give me back my assignment.
Wait, I'm almost finished.
Wow, you told me you'll get the idea only. Now listen, since Ms. Zamora has an emergency, Section Sapagita will sit in our class. Understood? Okay, Section Sapagita, please occupy the vacant seats.
Ano to? It's a body of wine, no?
Ate X.
Ha? Why hanap dito eh?
Ate X nga.
Baka kinap niyan lang ito, no? It's clearly stated that it's wine.
Bakla, andyan kasi yung ex mo.
Also, X has no value, right?
Magaan na ba yung pagkina? Bumalik ka na sa akin. Klaro na ba ang isip?
Okay, how's everyone? Okay lang, ma'am.
Me? I'm doing great. It's been a long time. Kinalimutan ko na for like 1 year, 5 months, 2 weeks, 7 days, and 3 hours. Anyways, let's move on. Sana yung iba din.
Speaking of moving on, let's have a recap. What did you learn about our lesson yesterday? Can someone volunteer?
Oh my God, Mom! I am ready. When do we start? Algebra? Sa tagal-tagal ko so, mali pala, kung minahal ko siya.
name is Agit Brand. You all keep on joking, especially those at the back. Miss Precious, sit beside, what's your name again?
Brent po.
Ha, ma'am, dito lang ako. Ma'am naman eh.
Kaya ba yan, let's game!
Ma'am, I don't like it here. I much prefer another seat.
You just sat down and you leave me again?
Babalik sa'yo.
Mas sweet kami ng first love ko dati. Kasi 3 beses kami nagbalikan. Ma'am, baka diabetes na yan.
Yung ampalaya, inuulam, hindi inuugali.
Class, for our activity, you will be working in a group. Reminder that this is a performance task. I will divide you into groups of 5 randomly. Ma'am, random, ma'am. Now, for our first group, we have De La Cruz, Pilapil. Third group, we have Pasqua, Salazar. Fifth group, we have Gonzalez, Mendoza, Garcia, and Manalo.
Ay, thank you, Lord. Ma'am, 5 po, di ba?
Oo nga, no? It was supposed to be 5. Let's just add Batong Bakal Precious. Ikaw?
Tao? Bagay? Is it like a show? Movie?
Maybe it's a movie, say Silence Means Yes, right?
Quiet place?
Alam ko na, Don't Breathe.
Ano ba yan? Kakasimula pa lang, hard level na agad. Hayop! Hayop! Ay, sorry. Akala ko si Hayop. Sorry. Cheater! Cheetah. Sorry, typo. Sorry.
Parang iba na to ah.
The Flash! What is... Mabilis mo ng iba! Ay, sorry. 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 Ano yun?
Jogging.
Tao? Ano? Bagay?
2 syllables. Shooting star.
Bird?
Maliit, may click.
Your patience.
Guys, let's hurry up!
Sandals, sandals.
Mataas! Mataas!
5 mo.
20 seconds na lang.
Sensitive.
3, 2, 1, dansa!
Fireworks! Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Sisiling isa dyan.
English.
Tao? Hayop? Bagay?
Kaya ba yan, let's game!
What is this? 2 syllables? 3? Tagalog? Movie?
3, 2, 1, time's up! Draw 5, 0 over 5!
Corny.
Naniniwala na ako sa forever.
Your guess, alright?
Ivan?
I have something to give.
OMG! You don't need to give me flowers and chocolates. Baka matae na naman ako neto. Pero okay lang matae. Mahal kita eh. But seriously, the reason why I always pass by your room is because I want to tell you something as well.
It's for Crystal. She's your friend, right? Reto mo naman ako, oh.
Hindi to para sa akin. We, ikaw talaga joker ka. Para sa akin to eh.
Para sa kaibigan mo to. Balitaan mo ako, ha. Bawi ako next time. Sabihan mo ako kung may kailangan ka. Una na ako.
Sobra naman ko, thank you.
Crystal!
Yes?
Wala.
Yung debate na napunta sa debate.
Online class is much more convenient. We can avoid traffic, less stress, less hassle, especially now considering the heat index that our country has been facing.
Now, face-to-face because it is more honest. You'll know if the students are doing their academics.
And not all of us have access to the internet. Am I right?
Really? Honestly, Mr. Manalo, you really stay to my face to face? There's a lot of cheating nowadays in more ways than one. A guy who wants to cheat, mag-cheat yan, whether in classroom or in Zoom.
I bet to disagree. We need a human connection. You see, if it's online, it's difficult, it's hard to explain, especially to false accusation.
Human connection, human connection. Online class is much more convenient, especially with our faces na di kasi face-to-face na nakakasira naman ng mental health mo.
That's why I wanted us to meet to fix this. This kind of things need to be fixed face-to-face. Hindi yung tatalikor na lang at basta-basta iiwan.
Paso!
You know what? Stop bothering your sad boy app. You want a confrontation? Then I give it to you. Why don't you tell everyone, ladies and gentlemen, kung paano ka nag-chat ng girl best friend mo? May kapit-kapit pa nalalaman. How sweet of you!
Fine. Ladies and gentlemen, sinat ko po yung best friend niya para itanong kung anong favorite cupcake niya.
Mas paso!
Then why didn't you just ask me? Do you really need to chat with my best friend?
Because remember, that was our monthly love.
Pasok na pasok!
Debate pa ba to?
Kuya, you were so good. I took a video of you and I'll send this to Dad.
Of course, my baby sister is watching me.
Yan ka na naman. I'll go ahead. I have some research to do.
Okay, as long as that will fetch you.
Will do. Take care. Uy, ingatan niyo si Kuya.
Ano ba yan? Lagi din akong minamalas.
Huh?